eating so much. Huh? Only 1 hour is gone. I thought I'd come and join you, but you all left. My God. I thought you're cooking something for me, but no. You finished so fast. Okay. All right. Don't watch. Close your eyes. I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes. Oh, that's it. Okay. Can you open your eyes now? Now look at me. I'm very beautiful. Surprise. Surprise. Did you eat well? Yes. You cook yourself? Yes. Yeah. Anybody who's leaving tomorrow? Yes. The ones who leave tomorrow, come over here and make a road, please. Police, make a road. The one who leaves tomorrow, come sit here on this platform. Only if you're leaving tomorrow. You want to come over. Yes. Maybe something left over if you want. It's the last time. Move a little bit behind. Move back. Yeah. So you enjoy, yeah? Yeah. Share with each other the food a little bit, okay? It's not much. Everybody one piece. Yeah. So anything you want to tell me before you leave? What do you want to tell me? The food is good? Yeah. Well, actually, the food is just like where you stay in your country. Just because here it's cooked with love, yeah? And you have no pressure of society here. You know, you come here, just lay down and eat. So, so your duty is very light over here, right? So you feel good. You have translation? Okay, still? Oh, yeah? Oh, really? You know, I don't know any that's better organized than this ashram. Yeah? You bring your heavenly ears everywhere, and so you always have enough translation. I'm very pleased. Very pleased with the system here. Are you not? Yeah? You pleased? Yes. Okay. Also leaving tomorrow, Mama? Nah. I thought she would be. Wow. Okay. I think it's around the last weeks, right? So everybody kind of concentrates in Melly to come over here. So I wish you a good journey. Yeah, and 감사합니다. Oh, Korea? Oh, only Korea? Oh, made in California there? Batman Forever, something like that? Huh? You California? Yeah, you look like Americans. Huh? And Korean, American, huh? The bunker here. Okay. Just come today? You arrived today?
Yeah.
Today, huh? Because I haven't seen you before. And the old monk? Not here? Oh, they don't have earphones? Oh, yes. Plug it in, yes. Tell them to plug it in. Oh. Because there's translation, okay? You see how everybody has ears? So, do you have any questions before you go? No? And you happy?
Very happy.
Very happy? Yeah? Well, if you're not happy, you know what to do, huh? Do you know what to do? Yes. Yes? What? Huh? More meditation? What happens if you cannot meditate? Some people tell me they cannot meditate. So what is next? So I have to meditate for them, right? And if you're not happy, then I am going to be happy for you. Well, if you cannot do anything, you say Master will do it, right? So So if you're not happy, you know what to do. You say, Master, please be happy for me, right? Okay, then I will do that. I'm happy every day for you. And if you can't meditate, Master, please meditate for me. Okay, then I do that. I meditate every day for you. Hmm? So whatever you cannot do, I do it for you. But then I get all the benefit. Understand? Yeah? So you try to meditate yourself, and that's all there is. All right? I just make myself more beautiful so you can remember me better. Hmm? We all love beauty, right? Beauty. Yeah. Maybe the inner beauty is better, but the outer beauty is okay for the beginning. And most of you are beginners. Beginners need a lot of beautiful pink and yellow. So if you have no questions, then you may. What time you go tomorrow?
6:30.
In the morning?
Departure 6:30, but
morning
and evening.
Or evening. Have a lot of time. You? Afternoon? Morning. Oh, good that I see you, huh? See. Because sometimes the people report to me very funny things. Like in the morning, I wake up, my wisdom eye has not opened yet. I come to my office and then I have a look. Master, there's a type paper, very important, very official, and it looks very weighty, Looks like very important state matter, thing like that. Over there with letterhead and everything. Dearest beloved Master, capital, yeah? And down there, we would like very much to report to you the following. 30 people leaving 6 o'clock in the morning today. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know when the paper arrived, but when I arrived, it was already about 7 or 8 o'clock. So even if I have UFO, I can't arrive fast enough. So I always call them because of such small things. I say, I told you hundreds of times, you have to report to me beforehand, not after or not immediately. They think I go to the office about 4 o'clock in the morning. I might do if I think there's something there. It's always something like that. And then when I read the papers, people are already in the sky. So even if I could catch up with them, I can't do anything. So every day, maybe just in the evening, I ask you who's going tomorrow. It would be the best thing, right? Yes. Then you can have more of look at me in the eyes. And then when you come home, you say, well, I have seen the Master. Huh? Anyone who's seen me for the first time? 1, 2, 3, 4. First time? First? No, second, no, first time. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I don't want you behind there. You have a lot of time. And how long will you stay the first time, people? How long have you been here? No, wait for the translation. It's okay. I know. How long have you been staying here? Today come? Tomorrow leave? Hello and goodbye? Wow, that's cute. Make trouble for me. Oh, that's how they cannot always report because it's too fast. Just come in, fetch them from the airport, and then have to bring them out again. Really? One day only? Are you sure you understood what I asked you? Really? One day stay here? How come? You don't like barbecue? Is it very, very, very good? Why? What happened? You busy? No time? Occupation. Yeah. Wow. Huh?
Just come for initiation.
You came for initiation one day and then go home. You came for initiation only. Oh.
I want and I want you.
You want to see me. So come and go like that. Hey. I asked you to answer, not to cry, huh? Okay, so better than nothing, huh? See, once is better than nothing, huh? And crying is not allowed here. It's illegal. If you want to cry, you have to apply for permission 2 weeks in advance. But in your case, you cannot because you don't have time. So don't you dare cry in here. Anyhow, nice to see you, huh? But all of them also one day? Yeah. Yeah. And the boys. When you see, I see your eyes red, it's not beautiful. You stay here one day only her? The other also? Husband? Oh, for one day. Very busy, right? Busy? Children? Oh, yes. I understand. It's very difficult for some of the people to come here and stay here for a long time. Sometimes they have their own business, you know? And they don't have employees, so they have to work for themselves and work very hard in order to survive and succeed in this world. Okay, I wish you a nice journey, and you come back again when you have time. I will remember you, all right?